Hello and welcome to another CompSkill video training session. In this session we're going to talk about the if function. The if function is what we call a logical function. It allows you to return one value based on a criteria or another if that criteria is not met. So let's just go ahead. First of all I'll explain the example. So we've got some salespeople and we've got some sales amounts that they've made. And what we want to do here is determine whether or not they're eligible for a bonus. So those who would be eligible for a bonus would be those who earned $25,000 or more in sales. And so in this column we just want to simply return a yes or a no. So let's just type in our equal sign. As we know, if we start typing, this guy wants to have coffee with me. Get rid of him. If we type in, if we get our list, and we can choose off our list. So let's just double click and do that. We can see the arguments. We have a logical test, the value if that test is true, and the value if that test is false. To make it easier for those of you who are new, and I always suggest you use this if you're new to Excel, use the function editor. So we go up here and we click here and we just open it up, and there we go. One of the things with the function editor, it allows you to step through the arguments and it puts the brackets in for you and the commas and all of that. So our logical test is, have they made a great enough amount in sales? So is the sales amount greater than or equal to 25,000? So we use a cell reference and we're going to start in row 6 for Fred and we're going to drag this down later. So we put in the cell reference to B6, which is Fred's sales amount. And the test is the value in B6 greater than or equal to 25,000? And you notice with the function editor that you get a hint along the way. So it's saying, well, yes, that's true. So if that's true, what are we going to return? We're going to return the word yes. And any text that we put into any function in Excel, we have to enclose in quotes. So we just type in yes with a quote. Notice down the bottom, this is the value that's going to be returned because that statement is true. But if it wasn't true, and there will be some in this example that aren't, we want to return no. So we type in no and close eyes. Okay, and that's it. So we have our 3 arguments. Our logical test, is the value in B6 greater than or equal to 25,000? If it is, we want to return a yes. If it's not, we're going to return a no. Simple as that. And we hit OK. And then we can double click on the fill handle to copy that down. And we notice that this one is no. We can go in here and open up the editor again. And we can see that B10 is not greater than or equal to 25,000. So that returns a false. So that's a very simple introduction to the if function. It's one of the most powerful things in Excel. So if you can master the if, I think you're pretty much on your way to mastering Excel. So that's Excel, that's cool, that's CompSkill. Thank you.